If you use Jio Fiber broadband connection, then you might want to find how to open ports of your machine so that local services can be accessed outside of your home or outside of your network using internet. So port forwarding or opening port is not a easy job. So in this video I am gonna talk about how you can open ports if you are using Jio Fiber broadband connection and its Jio Fiber router. So without further delay, let's jump into this video. Before opening port, you have to know two things about firewall and IP address. So basically, if you use firewall, by default in the router there is a firewall which will block your inbound connection. There is two type of connection, is that inbound and outbound. So when you surf any page www.sometips.com, if you click that in your browser, then the request will come to my server and my server will give you some data to display the web page. Here the data which is given by my server to your browser, that is called outbound traffic. But when you request, that is gonna be inbound traffic. By default, almost every ISP blocks the inbound traffic so that you cannot run any kind of server or you cannot access your home devices outside of your home network via internet. Here is the same thing. Jio in ipv4 version, there is two versions, ipv4 and ipv6. ipv4 of 32-bit and ipv6 is 128-bit. In ipv4 the public address will be start at 49 dot something in India via Reliance Jio. So they do not support port opening or port forwarding. So by default you cannot access your home devices via internet outside of your home network. That's mean in ipv4 addressing method you cannot open ports of your local computer. But there is another chance that you can use port forwarding, or even you can open ports of your computer and local devices from your device to internet. That is ipv6. Yes, the ipv6 mechanism Reliance Jio what is they're using, it is basically they're using in combination of your MAC address, that is basically stateless ipv6 addressing method, and they will give public IP address. Yes, every device of your home network will have a public ipv6 address. Remember, the ipv4 address is the local, that's mean 192.168, but Reliance Jio will give uniquely public address to each of the device you connect in your home, that will have unique ipv6 address. Using this ipv6 address, if you open the ports or you open the firewall to take the inbound traffic via router or your computer, you will be able to access your home services like remote desktop connection, FTP server, whatever you do can be accessed outside of your home network via ipv6. That is two things to remember. If you are doing this ipv6 also DHCP, that's mean every time you disconnect and reconnect, maybe 1 or 2 days IP address will bound to change because it is DHCP. So yes, ipv6 also will change, there is no static IP version. So yeah, it is not possible to run a server because it is a randomly changing IP address. But yes, for developing purpose, for some work, definitely you can use ipv6 for opening ports. Now let me talk about how you can do it. There is two processes that for that. First of all, you have to go to the router setting admin panel, that is 192.168.29.1 by default if you have not changed. Then log in via default ID password, or even you have changed, do it. Next, what you have to do, you have to go to the firewall setting. In ipv6 firewall setting, you have to open particular service. There is two types of by default services there, that is HTTP, FTP, or any other normally well-known service. If you are gonna make another service which is not common service, you can go to the custom service and you can mention the port number what you have to open it via internet, or basically opening the firewall. Then just save it and go to the ipv6 firewall setting. Then in the ipv6 firewall setting, what you have to do, you have to keep either select that service or you have to select any and destination IP, source IP, any and any, so that what it will be every port will be opened or firewall will be bypassed and everything will be, traffic will come to your computer and you can serve or host, temporarily host any website or any kind of thing. Now you have to have a good firewall in your computer, because from your router you have opened everything. Your ipv6 address is uniquely identified, so anyone can trace you, if anyone can hack you also if you do not have sufficiently good firewall. So this is pretty much things to remember when you are doing it. Your computer will be exposed, so you have to be careful to save your computer from hackers on any kind of thing. So in this way you can open the ports via ipv6. Another thing you have to remember, if you're gonna access this via IP address, you have in the another computer which is not your home, maybe your office and your home, you are gonna communicate, make sure both client and your Jio home network devices both have to be ipv6 enabled. This is not mandatory that both device should be in Jio network, but it is mandatory to have both device should have to be ipv6 enabled. Right now Airtel, Vodafone and Jio only in India providing good ipv6 and valuable ipv6 which can be used. Other ISPs are not providing in broadband connection ipv6. Let me show you quick tutorial on how you can do it. Make sure you have enabled ipv6 option in your operating system or in your computer. So in this tutorial purpose, I'm gonna host one simple HTML file in my computer and it will be accessed via public ipv6 address. Now I'm gonna show you that presently no remote listening port is open on ipv6 or tcp6. So here you can see that HTML file index.html. Now I'm gonna create a simple HTTP server using Python command line. So here inside the screen, here you can see the exact command. So here you can see the format http:// then third bracket open, then colon, then third bracket close, then colon 8081. Basically IP and port, but in ipv6 IP address will be inside the third bracket. So here you can see this page is made by Some Tips. This is the HTML file, and here you can see in the command window or terminal it has been request where the request is has got, so it has respond to it, so it is just logging the request. So here you can see now it is a tcp6 remote listening port is opening on colon, that's mean public open is there, so anyone can access it via ipv6. So tcp6 colon is open. This defines that we have successfully opened the port via our computer. So now the time to check our ipv6 public address of Reliance Jio Fiber. Here you can see starts with 240 and here you can see ipv4 ipv6 both is showing up right now. Now how we can prove that it is remotely accessible? So we have opened Tor browser, that's mean your network address has been India to change to some other country, and you can see the public ipv4 and ipv6 all address has been changed. That's mean VPN or the Tor network is working fine. Now we are gonna follow the same syntax, colon, third bracket, then IP address, then third bracket close, then colon, then port number, and here you can see that Reliance Jio ipv6 address and colon 8081, and here you can see this page is made by Some Tips, is worldwide accessible, and here you can see in the logging window the ipv6 of the Tor network proxy or the VPN server is here showing up there. First it was 0::1, and here you can see open port checker tool in internet, also it defines that it has been port is open, so it is successfully done. That's all in this video. If you have any question regarding this port forwarding and ipv6 method of Jio Fiber, do mention comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. To get more videos on Jio Fiber and internet things, do subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video.